How many of you guys are following along on the WeatherWise app? Are a couple of you following along on the WeatherWise app? If you pull up your app, here's how you can tell that there's a tornado down. If you're new to reading the radar, click the KHTX radar thing here near high top. It might look like a dot on yours. Make sure you're in radar mode. And then switch from reflectivity to correlation coefficient. All right? And then zoom in here on this blue dot here, east of Maysville. That's where the tornado is. So the tornado is on the ground again, and it is doing damage here to the south of Sharp Mountain. Okay? South of Sharp Mountain, we have a tornado doing damage. Now, how do we know that? The correlation coefficient tells us how things correlate. All right? All this stuff that's the same color, it's all the same size. This is raindrops. This is stuff that's supposed to be in the sky, right? But right in the middle of all that, we get something that doesn't correlate. So we drop the correlation coefficient. There's stuff in the sky right here that shouldn't be there. Now, you might be like, okay, well, what if it's a daggone flock of birds or something? Well, okay, nope. There's like 100-mile-per-hour winds right here. And then there's some winds blowing at a similar speed in the opposite direction right here. So we have a velocity couplet. If you switch over to velocities, you can see the wind speed and the direction essentially at the radar beam level. So we have counterclockwise rotation because the blues show stuff going towards the radar, the reds show stuff going away. We have counterclockwise rotation. There's not a flock of birds over there. And we have a debris ball. We have a debris ball on radar right now. So right at the bottom of the supercell, this is the supercell structure right here. We have a debris ball. Add all three of those things together, and you can bet your bottom dollar. You can absolutely confirm that there's a big, nasty tornado on the ground here doing damage. So hopefully that helped you learn a little bit about how to read the radar, and you're following along on the WeatherWise app. It's free. It's a free app. So let's dive into the mesoscale here and see where this is going. Unfortunately, that next scan is even bigger.